In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix network error in where wins meet in PS5. So this is how I fixed it. I firstly went into settings right here, as you can see, and then I went into network, and then I clicked on settings and I clicked on set up internet connection. And now what I had to do in here on my connected Wi-Fi, as you can see, I had to click on this button right here on my PS5 controller and then click on advanced settings. Then you're going to scroll down and change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. And primary DNS, set it to 1.1.1.1, as you can see 4 times, and then secondary DNS 1.0.0.1 here, so and click on OK. And now you're just going to wait for it to re-establish a connection here. It should just take you a couple of seconds, as you can see. Now go back to this page right here and click on users and accounts. And then we're going to click on other right here and then click on restore licenses. And then click on where wins meet here and click on restore down below in the bottom right corner. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to finish and then go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.